everybody, today I have my first process video for you using the brand new Paper Person March kit. I did get some add-on stamp sets. That font is an especially awesome favorite. I have this cute weekend stamp set. But today I'm just going to work with the main elements of the kit, and I'm going to be working in my Me, Myself, and I Traveler's Notebook. So the kit also comes with these beautiful mint stickers and that a set of chipboard, and then the papers. There are usually 5, and that is the case today. We also have all the different printables for the collection printed out and cut apart so that I can use either side of the papers that I want. So there are 2 exclusive papers, and then the other 3 papers are from Kelly Purkey's Some Days collection with Pink Fresh, which you know is an absolute favorite of mine. And this entire kit for this month actually coordinates with the Some Days collection, so I can mix and match them. One of the prompts for the Me, Myself, and I project is my morning routine. If you want some more information on this project or set of prompts, I will leave a link to Hiba's channel down below. She's known as My Little Journal here on YouTube, and she's fabulous. I am trying out 4x6 cards here, so what my plan of attack is to turn one of these 4x6 cards horizontally, or not horizontally, vertically, and then attach it to my photo and kind of create my own paper for that side of my spread that is the TN, or not the TN, that 4x6 pocket card, and then also the square photo together. And then I'm going to even them up a little bit with my trimmer so that they are all one size and they look like one sheet of paper, kinda. I'm then going to go ahead and take my second 4x6 printable. Remember, these are the printable cards, so technically speaking, I didn't cut into any of the physical paper in my kit yet. I love the addition of having the printable cards emailed to me along with my kit. It just helps me to make the kit stretch that much further, and I know for a fact that that rainbow paper, I want to use it as part of a 12x12 background. So I'm super excited that by having the printables, I'm able to do that. So I just cut 1 inch, 2 1-inch strips from that 4x6 card, and I'm just going to go ahead and kind of stretch them down and over to the right side of my page. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start working on my stamping, because we're going to do a lot of stamping, and my journaling and things like that. I think I'm going to do the journaling first, if I remember correctly. Yep. So this is one of the journaling cards. It's also in the kit on the back side of one of the pattern papers. I'm just doing all my journaling. So the prompt for this page is my morning routine. So I am just writing down what I do in the morning, as well as taking a minute to explain to everyone that reads this book that I don't like mornings. My morning routine is pretty much just me trying to get to as fully functioning an adult as quickly as I possibly can, because my mornings start super early. I'm not a fan, guys. So I am doing some journaling, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my Catherine Pooler ink. This ink is polished, and it's a lovely peachy pink color, and it matched really, really well with the stamp, with the floral paper that I have there. So I'm going to stamp what time I wake up, which is around 7:30. Now, sometimes it's 6:30, but it's 7:30 more often than not. So that's what I put down, although it can go between those 2 times depending on what my day looks like. And then I'm going to also stamp some of the other little bits and pieces from that stamp set that kind of says words like work, online, coffee, those kinds of things that kind of describe exactly what my mornings look like. The whole theme for this specific kit is mornings. I think it's called the Good Morning Kit. So I have definitely at least 2 stories that I know I want to tell that are thematic to this kit, but Then I'm also going to try to get a third layout out of it that has nothing to do with mornings to show you how you can make a more versatile, you can use this in a versatile way. Maybe we'll even mix that up with some of my Some Days collection. So once I have all of this stamping done and I've cleaned my stamps, I'm going to go ahead and then fussy cut all of these out. So I'm going to fussy cut the 730. I'm going to fussy cut all those little strips. So once I have the stamped pieces done, you can kind of see I put a couple of the little phrases down by the under my photo and up into my photo. I put the 7:30 a.m. under my picture. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking some of those chipboard pieces, ones I thought worked and did well. There was one that was the perfect, that perfect shade of pink, and it said morning routine, so we had to use that one. And then there were a couple others that I thought would work to kind of restate or re-emphasize my dislike for all things morning. And I'm going to kind of layer them up above my journaling card just for a little bit of a pop of color. And I am pulling off like almost all of the chipboard backing on these chipboard pieces. They actually came apart very easily. They didn't require a lot of like a lot of brute strength. The tops were just the color where just the phrase was pulled off fairly easily, and I did that for all of them, pulled the phrases off. And that is where we are going to call this one done. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please make sure to head over and check out Hibba's channel if you like to scrap small. And also, let me know in the comments below, are you a morning person or not? Talk to you soon. Bye.